Today we are going to learn how to play the minor scale on the bass. We are choosing the A minor scale, so we will start here on the 4th string, 5 fret. So we start A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. The fingering of the scale goes like this: 1, 3, 4, then you move down, 1, 3, 4, move down again, and only 1 and 3. This is an easy way to remember this scale because it's 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. You can also play this scale here in the 3rd string, 12th fret, so you play exactly the same fingering: 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. So you have to play this several times. Once you have gotten used to it, it's time to learn some new patterns. The first pattern goes like this: you play the scale as always, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, but here you will move your first finger here, and then with your first finger on the octave you can repeat this fingering. You can repeat it here. So you will extend the range of your minor scale from here to here. You were finishing here, but now you are finishing here. So it goes like this. Play up, and then you go back. Another pattern of phrase that we can play with the minor scale goes like this. Remember that we are working with the A root, so here is the note, here is the octave, and from the octave you move one step above here and you play like this: fingers 3, 4, 3, 1. Then you move down one step with your first finger here. We are in the 5th fret, so here we play 1, 3, 1, 4 in the upper string. Once you have done that, you will play the same fingering that you have played here. You will play it now here. The 3rd string, 7th fret, 3, 4, 3, 1. Finally, you will play this. 4th string, 4 finger, 4, 1 on the 3rd string, 4, 3, and A for closing the phrase. The whole phrase goes like this.